A little preview here. I did a bunch of at the Ultimate RV show, Camping World. There's no Airstreams here, or there's none of the other ones I like to as well. But there's a bunch. I did a bunch of videos, so it's a variety of stuff. And I can whip through it real quick here and show you guys. It's free to get into this place, and they've got big and small. They got all kinds of stuff. They don't have scamps, which are made in Minnesota, because they don't sell it. So, a little preview like the boat show you saw. You know, different prices up here, 72 grand. So they've got all kinds of stuff. You've got land yachts. You got this stuff's kind of cool. The kitchens, outside kitchens. But there's all kinds of stuff. A lot of families here are looking to spend money. So you're going to spend money. You're going to spend money on this instead of a boat. Because it's whatever they sell, Camping World, they don't sell the stuff. Those Airstreams are good, or scamps. One thing about these things, the bigger they are, the cheaper they can be, because they get really large. This is kind of cool. You've seen me do it before. I've seen that. Kind of get away from the music here. But you have a lot of land yachts, a lot of stuff here. Like I said, it's free to get in. You got to register your email and whatever else on your phone, so you got to get away from the music here. See the grills over here. There's so many different kinds of stuff. We don't have many of these pop-ups, but those are cool. The pop-ups, those are nice. You don't see too many of those around. I like those. Go on the pop-up aisle here. These aren't too bad. These are my favorite. It's not bad for 24 grand, but you can find different ones. So, Camping World's all over the place. They've had their problems. To fix it can be a piece of work. But these are like the grills here. Stores. Big thing. A lot of them have awnings that come out now on the top of them. It's kind of cruising through. A couple have been sold already, so I've been selling them. We're on the action for my new microphone I got for it. Camping, it's free to get in. It's kind of cool. So they get bigger and bigger. They get bigger. They get cheaper and cheaper, and they fall apart. Get down here, and you can see. Gotta get rid of that music. All kinds of them. Going there. Got the kitchens. Again, this is, you guys see me do my breakfast on here. There. They have all kinds of stuff. Different prices. This is not bad. Everything's on sale. They have a couple used ones here too as well. I'm just kind of showing you guys what they have here. They're really into the fifth wheel stuff. That's what they're into. You can tell. Different, whatever you want. There's a couple ones that are real small. A lot of them should have dark color because when they have like a white interior, what happens? You're filthy and you're gonna get dirty. The grill right there. I like how they do that. Those are kind of nice now. They have all kinds of names, all kinds of good stuff. I was out here with the boat show. You guys saw that. Those are coming up.
Sorry.
We have the big dogs here. More. These are cabins right here. I call these are portable cabins. You drop them somewhere for 3 months up at my cabin, pay for the lot, and away you go. These are my favorite grill. Like I said, you guys have seen me do it. The awnings will come over, so you can sit out here. The Montana ones are big. It's a little preview video, you guys. I'm just kind of walking around. They've got all kinds of fun stuff. These are some spendy stuff here, man. This is not cheap. Montana one, $133,000, give or take, after, you know, it's on sale, $813. Pretty well-known product. There's another one, $122,000. Some are just almost not a real big deal. They kind of look the same. These suckers, if you're gonna spend 120 grand, you're gonna have to buy a truck. So you're talking 200,000 easily or more. But these are, you drop them, you leave them in a place for 6 months at a time, you live out of them. These are huge. You're retired. The land yachts, I'll probably walk over those if I get a chance. Dry ones are crazy. This is your house. You pull your house, drive your truck. Tell. See how some of these bad boys are. Storage room in the back here with your bikes. In there. Keystone's pretty well known. But it's free to get in, like I said, Camping World right here. That's who's putting it on. Another grill right here. Mallard. You tell it goes all the way down the road down here. Go and they go and they go. I get an idea of what you can see in here. Workbench right over here. Not bad. I don't know why these are like that. That should be tighter. Just like that. Get over that. Want to get over here? Yeah, get over here. Kind of close to music. I got to make sure I stay away. So these are big ass land yachts right here. I call them. All these suckers are expensive. There's not a lot of room in these ones either. It's only what they sell. We don't have the Airstreams here. It's a shame. Airstreams are the best. Camping World's all over the place. When you look at these things, what they want for these bad boys, they want a lot of money. They want $145,000 for this thing. There's no room in them at all. That's a bed up there. You feel like you're in a this is not bad, but then you feel like you're in an airplane. A little microwave. You have the bed up here. Anyways, I'm gonna get over here, some more stuff over here, so. Ram, find new roads. Basil. Yeah, they got all kinds of these things. A lot of these not Ram, but put on Fords and Dodges, not any Chevys. 2024 right over here, the Outlaw. Cheap. Bad boy. $178,000. This bad boy. D-Series Ford chassis. Not bad. And this stuff. So, anyways, guys.
This van looks pretty cool.
Anyways, here we are, and here's the truck. But, anyways, you guys, have a little right here. It's not bad, but it all depends how you want to spend your money at, you guys. So, enjoyed it. All right. So. A couple of them gotten sold. There's an Odyssey. 173,000, that bad boy. There's a pop-up right there. Anyways, guys, and the Standard, they bought it for about 70 grand. Anyways, here's the land sharks, land yachts right here. Those are insane. So anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you guys next one. Hope you enjoyed the preview.